Hey everyone, so if you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I posted a story asking if I should make a second channel for like vlog style videos or just be like, fuck it and put it on here. So the majority of people said fuck it, so we're gonna put it on this channel. So this is that kind of video. Let me know if you like it. I had fun filming it and editing it. I think it's fun, so hopefully you guys like it too, so I can keep on doing it. If not, then I'll just stick to the makeup. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. So thanks for watching. See ya. So I am looking like a nasty girl right now because I'm redoing my room. And I just picked up a bunch of spackle and wood stainer from my mom and like a bunch of different things to redo my room, like, you know, because I'm gonna be painting my room and then redoing my shelves, like, you know, staining them, making them, because they're white right now, I want to make them brown, because I'm gonna be painting my room like a peachy color. My fucking thing stopped recording, so as I was saying before, I'm going to be painting my room a like peachy kind of color, and I'm going to be staining my white shelves brown, so I think it'll look good. I'm really excited to, like, you know, redo everything because it is a disgusting blue, and we're going to go all HGTV on this bitch. Alright, so I got the paint, and sorry, I'm like whipping it through here, but I got the paint, I got a primer, I got like literally everything that I need. So now's the fun part, I get to paint. I'm so excited. But yeah, it wasn't even as expensive as I thought. The whole thing was like $87, which is fine. But oh shit, I actually know where I am right now. That's like never happens. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do like a time lapse of me painting, or just do updates, because I gotta do this fucking thing, hit my camera. I gotta do a primer first, which is like a white primer, and then when that dries, then I can put the actual color on, and the color is so pretty. I love it. I love it so much. So I'm really excited to start painting, but I'm going to stop recording now and drive, and this fucking thing is annoying me. So, oh my god, horses! Yeah, so see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I am just taking this golden hour moment to do an update. As you can see, I have some of my wall on this side here done. I still need to do this side of my room, but yeah, I had to put the white down first before I could do the actual color. So yeah, that's why I'm doing that. So I'm gonna get back to painting. Yeah, I'll check back with you guys. Alright, so I gotta run to work real quick, but this is what it looks like so far. I still have like a bunch of my stuff here that I gotta put together, but yeah, this is the color now. So I'm gonna go to work, and then I just gotta close for a little bit, and then I will have my other friend come with me and help me put everything back where it was and put stuff back on the walls, and yeah, I'm really excited. Okay, I gotta go. Bye. Hey guys, so it is hot as hell in my car. So I'm going to the beauty supply store in just a minute. I'm going to be getting my hair dye, and then also probably some new pairs of hair scissors. And excuse my hair, it's like really greasy now, but I'm not gonna, because I'm gonna dye it again. So I'll be getting some hair dye. I want to do like a darker version of this, but then also add like red to it too, like kind of like a burgundy kind of deal going on. But I'm gonna do that, come back home, dye my hair, cut it, and then we'll see how it is. Okay, so I just got everything from the store. I got new gloves, the hair dye developer, I got a pair of scissors, I got some clips, so fucking music now. But I got some clips and it was fucking $40, but now I am going back home so I can do it. So yeah, I'll film that and then you guys get to see the finished product. So yeah, let me drive.
Oh my god, a dog! Oh my god, a dog.
I love dogs. Okay, so I put it in and it looks like really red, but then I also see like the brown in there because honestly I just winged it. But I put, it was like a reddish medium brown and then I got like a light like red. So I did all of the medium brown. We'll see. Did all of the medium brown and then I put a little bit of the red in there too, and this is what it came out to. So we're gonna wait like 30 minutes. So Alexa, how much is left on the timer?
You have 21 minutes left on your 30-minute timer.
It's only been 9 minutes. Okay, so I'll come back in the next 21 minutes. And I'll show you guys this after I'm done showering and stuff and it's all washed out and taken care of. So, yeah. Alright, so timer's up. I put it on for 30 minutes. And it's looking like it's ready to get washed out. So I'm gonna go take a shower and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so it is a couple weeks later and I am sick right now, so ignore all this, but I'm editing right now and so this is the hair now. Let me take the whole thing down so you can see. But I gave myself bangs, you know, just a little bit, and then also on this side too. But this is the color, so it came out pretty good. I mean, I'll probably dye again another time, I'm not sure when, but yeah, this is the look. Now it's spooky season, get ready. I'm planning a lot of looks to do, so let me know if you guys liked this like vlog style video, or if you like, you know, the makeup tutorial. I really want to know, so let me know. And check out everything that I have down below on my social medias, all that kind of good stuff. Make sure you subscribe too and share with all your friends because it helps your girl out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys like this video and I keep on making more because I really get bored and I just like to film stuff. So yeah, all right, bye.